Tony's Tractor Adventure.
Well, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and try to remove this stump out. The ground's still really wet, so we'll see how it goes. This is an old tree that was on its last leg, and I went ahead and cut it down because I was tired of all the branches falling out of it. It's pretty windy today. We've had quite a bit of rain, but it's not raining in 2 days, and we had a lot of sunshine and wind, so I'm hoping that once I get down past the first few inches of soil that it'll be dry enough to go ahead and dig this stump up. And my intentions are to dig the stump up and then go ahead and bury it in place. I got the tractor moved around to the other side. Gonna get another bite on the stump. I'm gonna dig the hole on this side, which is the downhill side, and I hope you guys can hear me because the wind is blowing really hard. Probably got about a, let's see, that's probably about a 4.5, 5 foot hole dug down there. I'm gonna go ahead and enlarge the hole from this direction, and then I will start working my way around the stump to to break all the roots, and then I'll be able to push it over into this side. So I'll be pushing downhill with the tractor. In the worst case scenario, I guess I could tie a chain on with the truck and give it a yank. This is a pretty good size stump for this tractor. Alright, I've got a pretty good size hole dug here. I don't know if the camera does it any justice, and the sun's so bright I really can't see. Give you an idea what's going on. There's the tractor over there, and it's a pretty good size hole here. My intentions is just to go ahead and push this stump off into this hole once I break it free. It seems like whatever type of tree this is, it's some sort of cherry tree or something. I'm not really sure what it used to be. But it seems like the roots are more on the surface, and I don't know if it has a center core root that goes down. It doesn't look like it. It looks like all the roots go out from the base of the tree. So not really sure what kind of tree this is, so we'll just see how it all turns out. But from the first impressions, it looks like it's just going to be just on the surface. So this may not be as hard after I dig up all the stumps or the roots all the way around the stump. So here we go. as you can see, it didn't go quite as planned. The root ball was just full of mud. I probably should have waited till it was a little drier. And the whole thing kind of just slid off into the hole and crushed a bunch of dirt up under it. So I'm going to have to do a little bit more digging to make room for this thing to be buried. And I may end up having to cut the top of the stump off so that it can lay down. I can only dig 6 foot deep with this little tractor, but hey, we're going to get it done. So this is a case of where I run out of backhoe. If you had like a backhoe that could dig 8 or 9 foot, if I'd have just been able to dig another couple of foot deep, this stump would have fell over into it and there would have been no issues. Even though it probably would have done better had I had done it when it was dry, it would have probably just broke off and fell over. But in this case, it slid over the side of the edge, and when it did that, it took a whole lot of dirt. It broke the ledge off. And a lot of dirt filled the bottom of this hole up, because this hole was about 6 foot deep, and now this hole was about 4 foot deep. So I'm going to go ahead and dig this out and get it turned upside downwards completely, and away we go. Dug to China. I've got that stump buried, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and cover it all up. Well, I just finished up burying that stump. Left a pretty good mound of dirt up there in the center of it. The dirt's still pretty wet, so I'm going to let it dry out, and then I'll work it a little bit better. Then pick up the sticks and roots out of it, and then go ahead and run the tiller across the top of it. This wind's really blowing today, so it should dry out pretty quick. Hey, I just want to take this time to thank you for watching my videos, and if you would, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.